This is what we would call a perfect 12 out of 10.
Ain't nobody but I don't wanna wait for nobody. I just want that.
Hey guys, it's Angwi and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I have a Prettylittlething Black Friday try-on haul. It's gonna be like Black Friday / Cyber Monday, and I'm just showing you guys everything that I wanted off the site for like Black Friday. So before I even start this video, guys,
just go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and click the button, man.
Make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button, and if you want to get notified every single time I post, go ahead and click on the bell. Not wasting any more time, but let's go ahead and get right into the outfit. I'm just gonna start off with the shirt that I'm wearing right now. It's this Boys in the Hood graphic tee that I picked out. I actually wish I would have gotten it in a size up, in a size medium, because it's not really as baggy as I expected it to be, so that would be my only thing there. I like the color scheme. I like the little pop of red right here, and then I paired it with these cuffed joggers that I got, but these are in a size 0, and I wish I would have gone up a size in this as well, just because they're not giving me the vibe that I want to. Like, the waist is fine, but I feel like I want this part to be baggy, and these are like the basic cuff joggers because they don't have pockets. Prettylittlething has a lot of onesies on their page, but those sell out so quickly. So if you want a onesie for the holiday time, the Christmas time, to be chilling with your boo, you better go ahead and snatch one up real quick. This onesie is cute. Wow, this is so comfortable. This is not restricting at all. And again, I'm gonna say it one more time, this is something that you can wear around the house for your boo. My boo's sitting right here and he already approves. Let me do a 360. Yeah, this really is like accentuating like all the curves, like everything. This is really nice to be around the house in. At first I was gonna say that I thought this was like not tight enough, but I kind of like it like that because the leg is a little bit like, there's some material right here that's kind of loose, but I actually prefer that to being where I can't move. Like my butt can move in it. This is what we would call a perfect 12 out of 10. Nothing bad to say about this at all. You too? You have nothing bad to say about this at all?
Nothing.
So right off the bat, I really like the color of this. It is off the shoulder though, so I feel like that's why I can get away with it being a little bit baggy. I actually don't mind that the arms actually do this, because again, it's winter time, so everything don't need to be skin tight. We're wearing things for warmth. One thing that I would say that looks a little big is the space right here under my arms, but this dress is actually maxi, and because I'm 5'1", it actually hits me lower, but it's not dragging on the floor, so that's a plus. As the bottom of me, it doesn't look bad. I don't think this looks that bad actually. I think I would rate this like a 7 out of 10 just because of the bagginess, otherwise it would be an 8. But it's actually pretty stretchy. Again, this is ribbed, and I'm really surprised at the stretchiness of their rib material. Normally stuff is like tight, but this is cute, and I can move in this. So this is the next piece. It's a blazer corset dress. Y'all, I'm so sad because I was so excited for this. It's not as tight as I wanted it to be. I feel like if you are a little bit on the thicker side, basically more meat on your body than me, this will look really good on you, because I really like the way it looks on her. Like, it's not like poorly made or anything, it just doesn't fit. Let's talk about the bodysuit first. Very comfortable. Again, it's ribbed. This feels like a rib try on haul, but I promise it was on accident. They have this bodysuit in a lot of different colors, but I don't have anything to stand, and I feel like it's like a nude for my skin tone, so that's why I picked it out. Very chic, very sleek. It's popping. I really like this V-neck part of it right here. It's like a really nice curve that it has going on. Let me talk about the jeans real quick. These are from the petite section, I'm sure of it, because they do fit the length of me, and I'm really impressed with these jeans because they really do fit my waist to a T. Like, I don't have to wear these with the belt, and I hate wearing jeans with belts, so I really like this a lot. Let me step back so you can see the color of it and where it hits on me. And I got these because I wanted like a plain blue jean, but I think I'm gonna like do a couple like slits in the knee and like distress the knee part. I'm gonna be rocking these a lot because I've really been trying to look for a jean that fits the length of me and also fits my waist, and it's not too tight in my thighs. So I'm gonna make sure to put my stats on the screen again and list the size of this jean, because like finding jeans is super hard for people. So yeah. And PLT ended up sending me an extra one, I think on accident. So if you are my size, this is a UK 6, which is a US 2. If you want to win this, I'll send it to you for free. All you have to do is make sure you subscribe and comment down below. I'd love to win that bodysuit, and at your Instagram handle so I can find you on Instagram. It's giving me church but sexy at the same time. It's weird because this is a corset, so it shouldn't be giving me church at all. I actually like this a lot. I like the back a lot. It's just that the jeans right here are making it look a little bit weird, but I like how it like goes out. The only thing that's kind of weird for me, I think, are the arms. The material is like a men's t-shirt, not t-shirt, a men's collared shirt. This part, it was kind of hard for me to zip up, but I feel like that's good because otherwise it wouldn't really look like a corset on me. It would just look like a baggy shirt. But I actually like this. I'll give this type of 8 out of 10 only because I don't know, something about the arm part is making me look like very broad up here and I'm not. So I like this a lot. It's making me want to go like this. So next I picked out this Iron Maiden graphic tee, and I kind of been hopping on the graphic tee wave lately because I wasn't on it before. I don't know what I was wearing to the graphic tees. I was just dressing up all the time, wearing dresses, but I'm trying to like switch up my style. I'm trying to like switch up my style a little bit, so I went ahead and started picking out graphic tees. I think like maybe like 2 to 3 hauls ago, so I make sure I get one every single time I work with the brand, just so I can like have a really big collection. And the thing about graphic tees is you can dress them up and down with sneakers, with heels, with flats, you know, some of that. So they just work a lot with everything. And this one's Iron Maiden. I don't know who they are or what they are. I like this a lot. Again, I feel like I could wear a bigger size in this. I feel like I could go for a medium because if I wore it with jeans, it's not really baggy here. I don't know if this looks white to you guys, but it's like a light gray. It's the lightest of grays. And this is a PJ set. I would never wear this to sleep in my life because it's just too much. Like, I can't wear long sleeves to sleep. I can't wear pants to sleep. But I got this to just be chilling and lounge with at the house when my boo's here. The band right here says Prettylittlething, and the Prettylittlething is actually in olive, which is kind of cool. The part right here that I don't know if is my favorite is how this part is really thick right here. I feel like maybe Prettylittlething right here in their like little font that they do in olive would have been cute, because this part makes the arms feel a little weird, but this is cute. This is really, I like this a lot. This is nice. This is that like board material that I don't know what that is. I think in the States it's like kind of like wool. It has a little like pocket right here for your chapstick. This is very, very fall and winter. Like, I'm so warm in this. The inside of it is white. I would have preferred they made this a darker color because I feel like this can get dirty easily. And like the place for your thumb, so I could wear it like this. This is really cute and it's cropped to perfection. Babe, you like this? Pieces are sold separately, but I was like, I really got this just because of the leggings I was excited about, but I just was like, hey, let me just get the top. So I actually like this a lot. The top on me is kind of tight, and this is a size small. They only have small, medium, large, so you have to be very mindful of that. Don't get a small if you are not like built the way I am. Let's talk about the leggings because those are my favorite part. These go from gray to white. It's giving me very much Gymshark. That's what it looks like, and it has the like little lines right here that make you look like you have like a butt, even if you don't. These are squat proof. So I just put back on the Sam bodysuit and the black joggers so I can show you guys some shoes. And I actually like these joggers better paired with the bodysuit than the tee I had on. So I actually like cuff them like this, and I would wear this out with a pair of those clear heels. I don't remember what shoes I picked out, so it's gonna be both a surprise for me and you. Are the heels that I got the same version as my nude pair that I have, if you're familiar with my 2 hauls ago. The like square toe is so cute to me, and it's so attractive for my little feet. I don't know if you guys can see from back here, but these are what these look like. And then this one is not all the way clear. It has like a little black piece right here that I'm just noticing, which is really, really cute. I like these shoes so much. They're these nude heels with diamond on the like straps of it. They don't feel cheap is what I'm getting at. Like, they're actually like pretty like solidly like a solid weight. So these heels are kind of super high. I would only wear these on like an occasion where like maybe I'm wearing a white dress. I just wish that the straps went a little bit tighter, but I feel like they're supposed to be a little bit loose. Okay, so that's everything that I have to show you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you so much to Prettylittlething for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys had a good time, and I hope you guys saw some pieces that you're gonna like. I actually feel like this is like a really good haul, and it was like a couple of different like variety of pieces. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. You know, you can follow me on Instagram right here if you want to. I think that's it for this video, guys. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, you can leave them down below or hit me in the DMs on Instagram. And that's all I have to say. And thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys. So you're just gonna leave? You're just gonna leave without subscribing to my channel? You can't just watch this video to the end and go like that. You gotta make sure you click on my face. Click on my face if you want to subscribe to my channel. And if you're still bored, here are some more videos that you guys can watch. You can just check me out a little bit. You know, just be kind. Just do it for me. Okay, bye.